Yo abladiabi che ofele efe dromo ochi alogo esa ebane na wo ekon nekeji ochi te alogo ni ebane na wo neken wake Aaye Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ o machine no pe wo yonkomo ye bia ne no wo dwon ye no wona ekomeka wo kutokwe amni ke wo habiana Tambeni waleta ni wofio bomoden akeshi oba she ohamoko ni moko hu ahye ehamoko ni nkebo yo ne antibaki eta tv ehye mombo etura mi ahu nkela ke ehino wode facebook enwe kemi yebe ejeme dani wanyeme nu ni amogi lewu ekemi yebe ye facebook Indiking Jonathan ayi lenwe kemi yebe ye Facebook like I know Auntie Mary ye man fair for me lewu TV ye etayin mombo leke be a share ke bon mi twa bombo modin akoba cha obiko alo nyamiko alo ba share hamoko eke ni kasemo engo mene waye ni kasemo strot kokura ni ake no waye ni kasemo strot kokura isumon imafa wonu efufu ye Mene oti nwo ba domo he nwo kase nie mene wake wo ba kwe administration of human rights and justice ene wo wafon woche ekunini ke ba biye ni wakele abaye biye yele kene kase monemi bona fe ke wo ye no wo mba wole boni wo ba fa wo najin aha boni wo ba fe wo ni bi aha Keni bi komini sake wofe ye mlagbena keke eye ebuabo ane sande face ande ke anano e ka kete police station alo sande face ande ka na e ka kete woku no pango aye gbeji anoto ni akebuo mai mene wache Mr. Samuel akwete otu eye biye wakele bagbasane ye mene ni kasema inche Mimba ode manye
mi helebo no
kani nche tete
wa hie mi ojoba denche
na pale apa hu
apply ya no ojoba
yo mo keke sanike abodan tuwe keji okoba abodan tuwe onye ni ofe no ni sake ofe isumo mafite behe wo waka woni kasemo baji shishi chicken clean wo ba kwe strategy allo commissioner brofoke a background bona miniji a background
oyo donc sanene no bie commissioner a folle constitution allo Ghana mla wolo 7 months ni adie wolo le boje a fort neke constitution in July 1993 the Commission on Human Rights here wale ke jo constitution wale le ke tuni ke je national ke je constitution 1992 constitution of Ghana ni hale wale ni conform at 456 ni wo commission he wale le ke tuni commission here begin eten alo maka ke mandate ni bi etende ke tuni
ni bi eten
ekomeji National Human Rights Commission
okay
ke anti corruption ke administrative justice ni twa ke ba bomade sa hebe ne yo commission je ke ba public service is a allo ombudsman work chole al ombudsman ye public service in chole wo chola ke human rights violation allo human rights notomo ye public service ke anti corruption be ni bi ni ha ni Ghana ayano allo ni bi ni ta flat egbomo de san fio ni ha ni mutumo ayano allo nyonshi ni hemo ke ni bi kome ni as a human rights institution a promoter ni preventor human rights ni ne keni bi ne fio e ton ni kasemo ni wo fio e bi ya school ya offices ka foni ni a chele ye fe ya ni ke me ya chome boni ambafi ke atame no egbena ata ame higbe niji human rights na boni sana me fe ye ni sana me ke ya no ni sana me fe na kan no koji human rights background
jo ewo wo ye no ko ni wo chole ake National Human Rights Institution. Lekin National Human Rights Institution meaning me feel.
No general we can clear okay. It's a human rights, it's a duty to promote and protect fundamental human rights and freedom in Ghana by promotion and prevention and protection and enforcement. No ni be a promotion. How do we promote it? Or your public education, protection we harm anai walake nekeke nekendo ko yano neke sanofi nekendi bi ne ke yano alo police e ba arrest bu ne echombo no fi no sa ke police imbe ba mo echombo no crede no fi wo ha mele wake ke neke institution nekendi bi yano o ba nyo chi benko that's promotion no ko of you
okay tawo be no you okay yes anegba me wan wo na ke shi keji police nyombe ba mobowe isake hani no yo no le no yo fi dani eba mobo ni keji eba ni ohane no le no yo fi obanyo ke police nyu ake ya ji baba fi se aloja okele echamuluketi
ja okele echamuluketi ta flash any another topic no wa taube ni wa it's a broad topic no matabe ni mama majale
jame
fito keke ma wie e ba he what time
e ba e wo be fin yo okay ni leke human right ne we know about powers of the commission leke commission ne e wale ne hin o han wo nu hia ke e na e wale ke je Ghana constitution mi
le afa wo loko na chole at 456 ni ha commission he wale he wale ke je constitution ni chole act of parliament 1993
okay
e ha commission egbe ni FDP ni e wale ni commission e ha le egbe ya ke institution alo inuchu moko aba lodge moko alo person alo ejo e ko ama ke nye keneke wo lo aba ke no ko ye commission mi ni investigate alo tuye no ko moko ke complain ba e yo egbe ake kolebu aka lodge complain about against me one time ke information ne within 10 days esani nye ke information na ba lodge commission e wala komi e wala un ake e ba nye somombu no ba peer before him esamabo ni oba jale sanemi ye aloka woloko yo de mlani twake e ba nye supimbo ni okeba okena wolo aba ni mlawu ye jake no ji institution ko ye Ghana all the constitutional institutions no ji institution ko ni ye Ghana ni ba nye chesomon president ni yo they ba peer before him no power say a dawade.
Oh, okay. A power say dawade. Okay. So is any matters outside the commission?
The mandate. Before my local commission banye a court ke a recommendation if yako mokolo shwele luchumomi hemole benono chono ke shwele ejano samono ele imo sumone hi omo gbede ya court high court they enforce a decision
ewo lekengbe na what can na kan labor commission amekenye twoni
da be the labor commission labor commission keba labor commission
contract between them and
the person and the company level okay. Contractual agreement level bami
okay labor commission
amehia we are National Human Rights Institution. We can always even summon the Labor Commission report to appear before. But matters outside.
No, I mean we matters outside the commission mandate.
Ke sane court. Why army? Ke sane court omo wayami case president use a prerogative of mercy ne grant amnesty to prisoners alo many ye prison ni amehin shi ojogba ni president ko afine nye ya afie card ya me mokonye ke complain abawoje aka mine wo president die ne kengbe me
okay kema no shishi jogba mokonefe ni ayawole mon tun akelete pabomi afi baba ho na akelete ye ni wona mayenye lo ye ke o me na me amehile na meyenye wo minjie ameko economy amefe
ekola amehishi papa amechake ka kwa ame life ke ni bi alo me ko me ni be wale president e ba nye grant ame ke president e grant ame commission be wale ko ne ba tundo ko ye
okay
ni ke Ghana government ke another government sande ko won wayami
okay
alo United Nations no ko wayami other organization or other institutions wayami
she wo many your man be no your Ghana le wo ke Ghana sanele no nyonye twon yi
wo twon ni no na wo twon yi wo kokwe
wo ofane ke na kan ma bia ke mi umi nke amla lo ina sande ni sande na amla lo ke mi ye ngo kenke banye jeme
ya ke
banye twon ni
ya ke bla wo wa twon yi wo wa twon ni ojoba
wo benye nyonye nyani twon enyo amla lo
enyo wa no ji administrative justice ni ke
okay
the ombudsman is the ombudsman of the public service
okay okay no me one way about the matters outside the commission mandate
no njale mi atwon bo ake matters outside cases ni ye court o mu
court kelibie
case the court no afi appeal onyo ka appeal about je court en ye process case just circuit court ya high court ke je high court ya court of appeal ke je court of appeal e Supreme Court decision banye etashi ne 10 a decision ko no court en ye process ne chon ke court sanity court enye back to the commission
okay e won beke okay moko ye Sunday wakola ke ne ke ni tashi ne ke moko na Sunday e won ni ke mo na Sunday mo echon hie e ke Sunday te court mi nle he ne ke te ni mi unjofue ni mamba dan nye ya
once the case
ni mo kete
le sani someone says sani
it was someone say okay someone say I can town lawyer imbe lawyer ni mu mama dan imbadan nye
no afi ekona choje legal aid commission
okay
ameje na ameko meninye edna meninye pay for lawyers am assessor ko nyo pay for lawyers aye cases na ke yaje ake cases ya je na me wa me wo nuchumo nu wo chun le wo he tro na gbute
okay yo bekena kai what at all can I complain about
Kenkle no kono ba nyo complain about discrimination
ani
mata
ake abaji ni ami okay
ni kokwe article 17 clause 1 clause 2 clause 3
okay
eke mo femo ye Ghana mla mo femo ye equal ni ekomeche eke
article 17
clause 1 all persons are equal before the law mo femo
okay all persons
are equal before the law.
Okay.
Clause 2 ke no person about jeni ame ake yoni alo nuni. Alo neke political party. Alo neke religion. Alo ekola neke. Alo neke mla echonaka. Clause 3 ete no ne jalemi. No need discrimination.
Okay.
Waka wana be wa baba wa jale mi ojoba. Siminta ma case ko liba waje ne international dimension.
Okay.
2 fire ladies on discrimination. 2 fire ladies were sacked from the service.
Okay.
On the grounds that ake ama hie ho.
Yeah, inu leke sande ne.
Ama hie ho. ni I'm a serve code 3 years. So now I'm a serve probation 3 years. Shama here contrary to the fire service LI.
Okay.
No, na ashware me. I interdit me. I'm a run keba waje. The wogma can fire service. Now me reply wogma. The wogma decision waka me reinstate man. I make a reinstate what take court. Was she court gate? I can make us on the 1 year. Fire if you can walk out with you. The judge ni yours Tasania na ke. Any fake can click case. Ni on discrimination ya Ghana. Kaja bini abon court sani ne case ko bako ame here down.
Okay.
Do it Canada. Any ame face strides in the area of discrimination.
Oh, okay.
They are tough cases. They can buttress his argument. No, she knew what I be. Temuko here ho. A hele no tumomi mene. They here ho. Onyo shwele. Eton law. No, Kemoko ye office ne po private office. They are here. E babia they are here. Onyo shwele. Cause shwele discrimination.
E wo ben melek bene ya for neighbor.
Jeno mele Sunday tuni
kashi be neighbor for.
No bia na security service me ka ahemuko mene or in the public service can get security in the public service.
Yeah.
No commission on human rights. What fair example? What employ pregnant women? What ye can claim ye hollow what employ? Afekwe kwe Ghana na dan. Your commission show way.
Oh, okay.
You how you mo jailani.
Jailani.
Na about discriminate. Ta flache no ke oblanyo no ke le etuni bo di ogeniam. Na mo ke ta flache na mo ke le woni yen ho.
Be oblan no en fe.
Deni nwe yen na etuni. Moni fe ni emu aka etuni, moni ni mo ba kare ni aka etuni.
Me ne wo.
Ai ni ami je mo no kote ke akafe na kan lokoko. Ete international. This is the first time a case of discrimination has come to the fore of the court.
So in telling discrimination, let me take this way, okay. Ne wo yo me ife inichu money. Yen me inichu money inka ke shi in so here. Ni ake ye unke am application ba. She came ba info me. Me na me kwa ba hin na ba me hia me. Bona fi na mbatwen na kan ji me boni to inichu mo gbeja no to.
Sesa no.
Ni mboko ne ba ike da bi. De ke me ba hanye nyonye no nye he gbenye ke me ya.
Oh, once they can complain ko ke ba ni wo ka ke complain ba e wo je. Wo cho no ko directors meeting. Director wo call case labor ani wo ye na ne no ba do moshi ye wo mla alo constitution no no ba nyo wo do moshi no ke ye case lo wo bi o directors meeting wo bi o and the case ne ye e follow alo e fita ni bi e come e wale come ni wo ye no ko ba kwa e ko lo e ye wale e cases ni alo e wale je come ni wo yo as a human rights ni wo ko ba kwa wo judge wo fio wo na tamu
nyenye to asu ye he
wo to asu wo na argument ke finally ka wo na ka wo ye leg ye law to stand on or take case ika wo take case ta flache bo no okay case ba no ke ba ni ashimashi aka okay case eba o mashi TV wo ke the same complaint okay letter ba ngman kuma o mashi TV ake neke oshimashi obintin ke neke no kweba mini bo yo hi alona no mini bon oyo kemo ke ko obon o ko complain o responsible ke wo bon ke say investigating no every case ni baba assign investigator.
Oh, okay.
No e come unji prejudice. Oh, mene ne kame yo. Mene me o aigbe me neke gamen le neke.
Wa he ganyo ya ni chumo mi aye aigbe nyo ya ni chumo.
Alo bullying. Ka ake bullying. Tumo jimoko. O bulele ni
bulele.
Taflache case ko mba ye no fair. Amobo soja fo enyo. Military bi enyo. Amemo blanunko. Ameka blanu en. Taflache aju phone yam. Yam phone ni aju mini e wa aju phone ake a force agilauni eke akoko phone throughout no na me ame shan rubber ameke lighter shan rubber na ke ake rubber ke esile ke so enuncho
de gbenyegbe ole
ake so enuncho ye ke chele ke so enuncho commission temi officers assure ame compensate money aton
me ni ton wale sanene
ke ko me un torture slavery ononi afia ye trokose Gambaga witch camp ke libi ne ke servitu e ko unji torture to mo beni we trafficking ke mistreatment forced labor adoption domestic violence e for kapi ye wo shian unlawful arrest search and detention no mla tun ke police imbe eba mobu ne ke bu no ni ofi the law enjoins you to resist arrest.
Oh, okay.
But eye come ni taflache police no e sa apone ko ne na ka odu allo fe loko no fe loko fun allo no allo he has a reasonable suspicion that you are likely or you are about to commit a crime le ba yen mo.
Okay.
Allo o jam bail bond ona allo ojo fo keje lawful custody le mlango le gba ke e ba mo.
Okay.
Ke ko nji ake sexual harassment. Sexual harassment ne e ko ba Ghana ni wo momi wo ye lojo gba yo obla yo ko ni nchuni ya mo ni taflache money company ni e take obla you are by force. If any beast in sexual harassment ne taflache ye pin yaneke harmonemi shi amenya mewi matabi mama ma challenge yo to buy
ni ye penny chomomi
hinka ye fen si majority ye majority ye na no
oh ye na no le ye na no. So when may I complain?
When all this rights has been, when your right has been violated.
Okay.
When you are denied the enjoyment of your right to which you are entitled.
Oh, okay. Oh, manyama yani.
For your complaint.
Yani ya complain. Hello, iya.
Hello, when you can complain to any of our regional office, 12 for assisting regional office across the country. We have district.
Oh, okay. Well, and like banyo complain your 16 regions across the country. And your office say ningbe ekome yo.
Ekome bien latebi okoshi bien.
Latebi okoshi.
Ekome wo head officer Jen Nkrumah can in a point or.
Oh, okay.
Kwame Nkrumah Mesolion, Kwame Nkrumah point a commission.
Ah, you are Jen.
But I got Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah, I mean, na ekwen ne koveno.
Yeah, I can't violate in the
ekwen ne koveno kekpa katamanto e no fe.
Hello, one regional office here, Greater Accra na City Campus. Opposite. Where so they ejeno.
Oh, okay.
Where jen amejen onupani ojeje Mr. Akon in boss again number one ke complain.
Yo, ewo ye leke wo complain makela keshi who can make a complaint namo de banye ikesani aya ni aye hale
mo femo allo group of persons allo institution ni a right there has been violated can walk into the commission office and lodge complaint.
Ewo gbeken hu
beken ke ba le beken ba ni do lupa na fite ya
sigele beken di enche make afi nyuma ke afi nyuma enyo ke ten enye bani ba complain
e ba nye ba si wonta no lupa ko guide le si mo femo e discriminate wo discriminate ke beken ba pota flache inoni gbe na wo ye beni wo ba fi ni wo wa sell wo wa conceal beken identity ona ni mo onupa ko akanya fi le no.
Oh, okay. Wo be mo femo no njio yo njio no mo njio yo mo njio
groups mo femo
ni yo shipon na no
e ba nye lo ke Nigeria nyopo foreigners po ye Ghana na po mla no ye Ghana committee your human rights ke boye
I mean like mla be wo Ghana be e penny e bo a shi ni akeshi human rights universal e ye ke ha boy conclon ne ba to wo ye man
ye ke ha is a universal human rights is a universal.
Oh, okay.
No ke ta fracha human rights ko ya ba jo gbo peta no human rights ke boye ya ko gbo ko lo human rights ko ya tifle po ke boye ya
iwo be ni oyiwo le no ke ba ja moko egbo na human rights ke boye ya okay moko ni eke yoye da flache ni yowe echonse ni woku me ekpo gbonyoe ehale ibanye ya no ni efe ya la lo ibaba ni ikesade na ba damonye dani enye ya ne afi ya la ikusu
woje sajin kome ba je ni ta flache wo be nanenu wo ba do wo ba chombo eno ya
okay
wo ba chombo eno ya poteni
wo be nye je fetumo solution center.
More than solution center.
Oh, more than solution center.
More than solution center.
Okay.
No, ya Obachon Ekoloke, Saneba land case, allo marital case, allo rental case, allo nibi komeni taflache wo be nanenu obadumos. She wabawabu ake okote neke institution ne abawabu ni owanyo tuni ojoba
yo be kenakan mabia ke me gbenoma chon ni nkensane aya na ye ahami how can I make a complaint
obanyo o lodge complaint over your phone allo ba walk into any of the offices
okay
obanyo track phone no lodge complaint
ni ke wo ble nye phone na mate ba fit wo twa no wo boy why no
obanyo track phone number allo phone allo mimba yeshiba kan be na mambo number
yo
allo obanyo send email post fast or any person at any of the commission's office. When lodging a complaint you should try to give as much as details. Minibar.
Oh, okay.
Time neighbor. Who were involved. Ona.
Ewo ke mabo to ejogba keji obaya ni oya lodge complaint. Esa ko ole no ni ba.
Noni
time be ni ebale na me yo jeme
dabi na me involved na me commit
na me ame yo me ye la kan sane ye
ni mini osomoni commission afian
e wo be bo ba tono ni commission afian bo oh okay wo
acho what all like a relief sort relief no ke ba je ke relief no ke ba je wonye wo fe wo ba advice no ni sanoko certain reliefs wo be iwale ni commission no fe no lo ke ba baje ni bi no ke ba baje wo ke ba money sanje no ke ba ko nyong mapo ta flache ko nyong mapo ni ta flache obanyo wi aye me ni a training ameje complain ba no UFN ke taflache glusio yo gamo be dangoba ke any other language
you mo FN
for yo Ghana ko teje amba ma ni ka me ma hu amba kane abu ya yemo no wiem amba explain na chombo ya yemo no before cause o sign allo ba tom printer make one sure ke no na ma onunshi o chole jurat aba ma ke money complainant ten nu no fe no na wie ficho dani eke enine wushi wo force umuko no ko kontiba wo no ko nshi no le
iwo be ni chon ke akebo ba ye alo ba jaje sandeko e alo abibu sandeko e be sa aka abibu yo man wi momle
o ke obanyo ke ka ba abibu sandeko no ke complaint je ko we mo no wi se ni wata mo ko ni no wi mo
wala kan no e yo ke ji o ke sanden ya police station we
na kan we ka fafu wo no e fufu e
okay
wo wata bi ko ba mi gbe na ko gbe
ma bo gbe na hu ma bo he gbe na hu
ko ba mi ne ke gbe na wo ba jojo mi the right when it come to you and the police
okay
the citizen and what police are supposed to do they are duty or make a duty bearers.
Okay.
Institutions are duty bearers, we are right holders.
Okay. Institutions are duty bearers. And you are the right owners.
Every individual or every institution can be a right holder. Right holder. Institution can be duty bearers. Duty bearers, let's say Kolebu, inte Kolebu, alonte police station, inte institution go, inte passport office, inte immigration service. There are certain things now, but they are demanding certain things which is unconstitutional, illegal.
Oh, okay.
So that it got me feel na guys.
That no you are not kind.
See, I been demanding ni mla ebe mla wolo yin. Who can demand that right for you? You come to the commission and we'll assist you to get those rights.
Sure. So let me take it that way, okay. And you like now. Keji me mental passport. Ni inte passport office infe no fiano ni saken passport aba imente mwemba shepon fe no fiano passport eba you want the king bene no kenke badam
there are certain institutions I think onupa ni your commissioner onupa ni fefe actually Joseph Joe Wita is a very good and hardworking man.
Oh, okay.
They can you can know. They are trying to get all institution can get passport by beer. How many days if I year? Got the Ghana publishing. Ghana publishing. Call ya fake gazetting. I met Trump will be make a pet call talent and can be about I make a petaje. Ona. No got a passport office. No yafi no question aka make e work o can be piano na ke improvement e budget wa improvement e budget ni you can walk in when you have all your things we'll do it for you but when people are trying to get bribe that is wrong always I will tell Ghanaians mo fe money bo mi to always demand for your right
always demand for your right me Akebe fen be bona all right o demand all right kan ni moko ke ehegbe na yo jebo hegbe no yo no
ke fita here our services why should I come to minewo sake maba commission to eboloy
why should I bring a complaint to the commission
to the commission to eboloy me panye fa commission ehe tro na gbuti ke saneba commission mi ebi wa ko ba neke our service block over get absolutely free
our service is
absolutely free absolutely
it will be strategy I mean chumo na mechu ejeme
free
I he agbuti I he tro I he sismes I he pendwe kesane epe abadame niko kesane e badam ame amba kwesane e mi ame habo ni ame baje ame boabo ejake wo hewo ame yo ke wo be ame hu ame be aloje na kan gino
igbe ko nji sam once again igbe ji sam wa kwete otu investigator Jimmy commission ibo eno ba nyo ke twa commission over anymore.
Yo.
Emonoche. Sivio was point.
Wabanyo wa wie ne da. Che waya be fiu.
Okay.
Ni wabanyo waya wo here. Yeah. Wone kase momle.
Other mandates. Work administrative justice mandate. One of the mandates. Administrative justice mandate.
Yo, me waba for we shraw nwa ijira fiu no waba ke waba wake no ni channel ba chona gwe ka chi osia ye yen cha onyemie alobo modern ake oba share ni moko akase ni ye no womba womfo we shraw waba ka chi oyi.
Children have a very high nutritional demand in relation to their size, and vitamins play an important role in maintaining healthy growth. That is why we at Base Pharmacy Company Limited have introduced Base Vite Kid Drops, a multivitamin drop with 7 essential vitamins, including vitamin A, D, B1, B2, B6, and vitamin C, to aid your child's healthy growth. Base Vite Kid multivitamin drops have been specially formulated to help meet your child's nutritional requirements, helping them to get back to playtime faster. With Base Vite Kid drops from Base Pharmacy Company Limited. For further inquiries of bulk purchase, call Base Pharmacy Company Limited on 0302 672 317 or 0247 287 853.
This advert is FDA approved.
Are you looking for a media house for your upcoming events? Welcome to Omashi TV Production Crew, a digital station that offers live event coverage such as conferences, parties, corporate meetings, weddings, and live streaming on all social media platforms. Soft copies of events or production can be made available upon request. For further inquiries, call Omashi TV on 0536 772 262 or 0244 425 652. Omashi TV Production. Aajwɛŋ can mean share.
Ablade abi wahanye sefen waya yala fio wasa wako wasa waba ekon tamoboni wo fiole wakene kasemo ba chano shimo tani noe mihani ona ole akeshi leke strike bi ne niji human right men ameke ko ba ame shika ame agbo eka no fe no no ta wake afi habo eke ba bo eke ba dan mo amekeke ni atun ye na aye ahabo shimo keji oke sandeko baba de sandeko ni okete court down loko ba jeje no keba sike sane yo ho ne ke no ke sane abane na me ni ke oke ba tutu ame amba wo ame he no ni efe ni sake ame ya ni ame yo ame boa ni bohun ona oyeyeli alo bohun ona leke ogbena ne ni bohun oni ne se onono esa ni moko eta hegbenu wo yo na mofia mo ye a right ye wo mangana ne oni chumo minjio moko ka chuo ni dio o ye all right de no fe no aba fe ni aba nye ono ni esa ake ojuo esa ko gbele ona ni ojuo ni dani oba wie na mo ba wie habo na mo ba wie habo keji obemoko na mo ba wie habo keji wani na komoko na mo ba wie habo keji okosande ye eyako ni aye ahabo mene eje duro mogbe ne gbele your machine no wo waka keshi o machine no bia ne no wakase oni ye bia ne no wo yonkomo ye bia ne no wo dwon ye ni wo na ekomeka wo kotoku ya mene wo dwendwen moko ni me kwo mene ne kase mogulu ne wo somo akeshi akesane gbonyoko aka ijebo no kana na wo mene ni wo ke wo onabude nche babie bona fe ne ba gbla mi achonbo ni sane na ke yi obodo na e no ko ba chon ni onna eni okubachon wake sandegba nchano yo enche meta o mabi hu ake ake woye mene administrative justice. Iwoma biake, what can I complain? Bona, under the administrative justice mandate.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, you are done.
Yo.
Me, administrative justice mandate, allow ombudsman. You can complain, Obanyo to complain about administrative actions. Decision of a public institution.
Okay.
Public officials such as action and decision that are inappropriate, appropriately being regarded as bias, victimization, vindictiveness, arbitrariness,
bias,
vindictiveness.
E wa fa ne lekini bi ne no chichi tam bias ke libi ne fe obanye ogbela mi o ha wo kolo e fio e ke bona fe sanele sa be ken yibo
victimization loko benele sana kelaya ne ken benele sana kelaya a victimize because we are you are no kwale eko
e wo ba jiebo ye gen
bola sumos and vindictiveness,
okay,
arbitrariness, a fio ni keke, rudeness, kwemintile, mistreatment, a treaty bo jogba,
akaboyele jogba,
akaboyele,
a febo fen ko keke,
disrespect to your right and dignity as a person. Abu wake boma de sanjibo
ye no eko e when me fen
court bisane refusal to answer reasonable questions, no really giving misleading information. Misleading information
ni sani yin aboni sa ke atchon bugbe keke ke we akaso awubo kete agbogbolosin
ke discrimination in way on the grounds of gender, color, tribe, other prohibitory grounds.
Okay.
No ekole where you jibo to mo beni afi fire service ye mo ni ne constitution mi si moko kweko dan e constitution mi for the case happened to 2018 2017 2000 nobody has knocked the door of the justice until the fire service people came to us.
Ewo me maka akeshi ye leke sajin na mi ye nye ye jame kesa de ko ba le nye ye jole iwo kesa de ko ba da de gbo wa we he no
dabi ona ke
no e won ole no ne won wi na kan e ya ke leke fire service personnel bi asande na ke ba ne la kan sande ko bako dan no e wo nyonye ke la kan gbeja no to ko e fon ko shike hanu dan ja akesane e ba e keke nye buke nye chuwe ni e ke te woji am e keke konte shi e kana akese ne beni etele lekin atela ha keke kuni ye le ba
pa gbe ye ko mi nke bo pa gbe
o fa ne meni e wo o ke mi pa gbe ye ko
ona ke no ni wo fio e bi e wo ya schools wo ya institution wo ke me educator makela ke wo education mo ne wa yani make a case seba to benindu wo ye biene no radio ni wo yo ne
TV ota TV no e
TV ke
o machine ke radio fen what radio is online TV o ye TV e den che hie o machine TV o kan hie ni ka bo yo ne men kwabo ana bo ya blochi fen ja ke wo fon kan me hu
ni water TV ne hie ni wo yo de me fen le no ta flash call by radio no radio is to or TV, media, entertainment, information, and education. Ta flache, be no what in turning you on. Moko yene le femi kra, moko yene le fankefan big. Moko yauni le
kra. You have no what fee on it is education. We are educating the public.
Very well. Ni kem ke fita ye. Eko me unji ake. Kama yue onake poor 40 procedure influence improper conduct.
Oh, okay.
And making it difficult for you to access or use service of facility to which you are entitled. Public servant, allow public institution because of somebody tanokoneke we kotokumi ewo. You have face work or now access to these things. Konha le loko.
But what in the share no?
Poor service delivery of failed service without giving good notice. Tafla cheke mean by my access public service. Ni fort ko eba na ha mi notice. Manyama nkama ba human rights. Manya nkama ba human rights because you should have informed the public. Ako neke no ko etel no an fi ne. Ona. Reckless disregard to applicable guidelines which result in inequitable treatment of service. Don't can be in a fan what you are what TV name and what you are name. Tweboloy, Bani, Ekeba, quite public. These are public service matters and public institutions which are supposed to give you certain right. Okay. They are duty bearers. So you should demand certain rights.
Joe, ewa bloody abi ni kowo. Ya woni kasimo ne ha no wona wo like libi biye. Bona, ni wo like wo be ku wo wona abone wo fia ha. Si ngmene mo amro ne no. E no wo like si bo fe boni eji ha nye ba. Keji nye ba jeme. Amehe nya nokunoko. Si mowe amayi ame buanye. Yes, Sunday nyek baba damo ame. Bonafe, inofia no ayano. Pepepe kehanye. Eke wona na agba. Eke mofia mwene right. Bona, si Ghana no yo ne me pinta me kuma right no. Moko tamoko right no. Teshi. Ko teshi ye, moko ye. Ne ba wo ha bo. Shi ko tashi. No ko sane ye ya me ngo. Moko bejen. Ni eba ye kebo abo. Yo eche
ofane nke no ko ba fitai akeke sane ko ninabu ye law me ake equity hates the vigilant and not the indolent.
Equity hates the vigilance but not the indolence.
Nicho ake ke sane ba otashi no kashi no wo with passage of time your right will pass. With passage of time you sleep on your right. Because when you wake up from your slumber, okay, you are going to enforce your right. Right there, within 12 calendar months, you must assess your right. Kesaneba.
Ne
yefiafi koke ba commission what time. Ekole taflache ni saneba ke te conclu. Si ame ye ame boa ko show evidence Wanyo what ba mi awo shike sane ye gen ne ye fiafi no teshi o wa un no teshi no hele shi aga I have a right on this issue ko ba je wonyen wo wa bu wonyen wo wa bu
e wo be dan e ba pa wodran wo no me de bi etese
le o ni bi efite
yo e wa plan de abi e ko lo le o sane lo yin eye ko afin e ko le pa ko nyonko me mami alo ko akogbe ten alo chi mami alo chi pa alo nyeji pa mi ne bi ane aba wotu no teshi waka bona ni o ya foke ha all right teshi ni body enche
o demand
o ya demand all right no de ba hye no e wa fa ne masomo ake beleke meni yo se ni amele eni ameba na nyeye kelibiye masuma ake oba chon amegbe
ko ye dodo wa district officer pram we pram district officer ko te adang we jen ko te bonkata manso we district assembly ko ba dodo wa we district assembly ko te aboko bi medina we jen wokpa kan popa ene no fe municipal ke district se fe ke metropolis se fe we jen fe won pa fa ke me baba kata shina ke sane jebo
tata shini ake sanjin yebo
ni ole eno ba bi ano le eno ba ya ni minta mama no mi eko ake wo he tro na gutei
aton ahe shele 6 months pendwe ahe kokura
Enita obaje our service blofu ba ke is user friendly.
Oh no ake boy ake na nyubo no kra ni chon be na agba just ka ke wie mo no ta wo wie ka ke shemi enu blofo e wo ni ya ole no ya ke
boy wo kra po ayo je
no achon bo he wo o ma wie mo sikwen wie mo ko ba boko ye jeme ni e ba ye ebu abo boni afi ni no fie no aya no pepepe wo ye ameyi boy ekome ni keji o ta o amesegbe ni obacha head office head office ye old parliament house ke odamo Kwame Nkrumah museum eni Kwame Nkrumah pa enidemi kechon ak efeleleke ka pa katamantu eno ekpen ni emi kechon ke odamo jeme ona head office ye jeme iwo yi boy ekomene ye 0302 66 2150 0302 66 2150 ke otwa me onine ba hye ameno bonafe ni oha omoke ona agba ni oteriye ni anye atoboshi shikome ko ka keshi le amehe agbuten amehe 6 months amehe toro amehe pendwe bonafe na yo sane haboe be eno ne wo kan no yen pa no akeshi keji atwa gbeji edwe kemon gbeji enumo ye o machine no wake Aaye Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ bia ne wo ye Ŋkɔmɔ wodwo ngme ne wo ba ye Ŋkɔmɔ ko polenche ona ekoka wo kutoku ya mle kan ne sane gbebo oyawo kan ne sane enyo ono gbegbele mo mene ndone yo eche mene jo na agbewie mo no ka ma wo kwelo ife ne ko wo ye o machine no
tuebol no kwelo ni bo wo tuye digital platform se no fe makpanye fai kesane ba chio benka wo ka meni sane ye afi na no chio benka wo le wo beno ko ni wo ba afi amno no chio benka wo agbona ayebo san tuekpo no mo sane chio benka wo ye denka amu fem o shilafo moni eje akpofonyo meni me feni yo Ghana Nigeria nyodibo German nyodibo no ye Ghana kometo wo ye kan abo chio benka wo we are there to assist everybody irrespective of your color political affiliation travel and religious and economic status. We are there for you. Thank you very much.
Yo ake bofe boni yo ame ye ke habo nike oba amba kwe usane habo ame he noko yo ablade abi eni siche oklenye mpoma wo opeleje eye ebua wo ke ba hye ke Yehovah ze about nyumba fe wo oti efe wo dromo ni oti ya logo ni ebani na wo wake Aaye Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ o machine no pe wo ye Ŋkɔmɔ ye bia ne no no wo dwon ye wona ekomeka wo kotoku ya mi nyumba adwo nyefe ake nyena be wo ke kase no nyeke hia kwemo jiro